Ukraine used new Thales mini-missiles to intercept Geranium drones. Ukrainian air defense forces have begun using a new 70mm mini-rocket from European manufacturer Thales Belgium, designed specifically to counter Russian drones. The FZ-123 warhead is armed with thousands of steel balls that, upon detonation, create a kill zone up to 25 meters in diameter, destroying airborne targets. The maximum range is 3 kilometers, making the system suitable for close-in defense against drone swarms. The missiles are integrated into standard NATO launchers and are already being used from Vampire ground platforms and upgraded Mi-8 helicopters. Manufacturer Thales is ramping up production, planning to deliver several thousand guided missiles by the end of the year, emphasizing their role in pinpoint infrastructure defense.